Hi friends, welcome to another day of digital learning. I am so excited about this week because you guys have been working so hard to get all of your research and script writing and everything done. And now is your time to really shine and show me your final product. So, like we've been doing, the information is in It's Learning, but I really want you guys to hop on over into Google Classrooms. This is called the Women of World War II Final Presentation. And so, like normal, your goal is to finish this assignment by Thursday, with Friday being your catch-up day. Just gives you a little quick reminder of what we've been working on, but I know that you guys know that. This week, you're going to turn your script into a creative presentation. There are probably a lot of ways that you could do this. I'm sure there's something that you will think of that I have never thought of. But the two ideas that I had right off the bat was to use iMovie, of course, if you have that, or storyboard that in media and research tools. So I know that everybody has access to storyboard that. But of course, I am okay, just like in class, if there is a different way that you have that can still meet the requirements on the rubric, then please go for it. So two things that I need you to do. I need you to make sure that you turn in your project when you're finished on the Google form that's linked below. Let me see if I can open the whole assignment to show you guys. The Google form is linked right here, and it's really simple. It's just telling me your name, and then it's telling me, I don't know why it's not loading. Anyway, it'll tell me your name, and then it's just going to have me a way for you to tell me where your project is. So if you are doing it on something where you can share a link with me, then just put the link there. If you send it through my email, then that's fine too. If for some reason you have trouble sharing it with me, then pop on to one of our 11 o'clock morning meetings and you can share it with me that way. Make sure that you've also looked at the rubric. It's the same rubric that we've been looking at throughout this whole project, but now it's really important to make sure you've included everything. So if we take a peek at that, obviously all the information needs to be accurate. Your skit is showing that you really understand the topic that you chose. The content and the dialogue take a concept to a higher level, so it's not just like super basic information and includes real world application. Of course, you know, those 6 questions that we've been working with, it needs to include all 6 of them. And then here for the creativity and presentation, I realize that not every way that you choose to present this will allow you to use all of these aspects. So like for example, if you did storyboard that, you know, it's not likely that you'll be able to put voices in there. So to get full credit, you need 2 or more of these. So humor, multiple perspectives, emotion, visuals, which are like props, and voices. So I really cannot wait to see what you guys do. I know y'all are going to do a great job with this. So how you're turning it in is on this link right here. There's really nothing for you to click turn in on for this actual assignment. Okay? I hope you guys have a great week, and I hope I will see some of you at our morning meeting.